In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable contact syncing on your Instagram account with your phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right. Once your account's open here, select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And then you want to scroll down underneath where it says your app and media. Select device permissions and select where it says contacts. So if you want to turn off contact sharing, you will need to select update device settings at the bottom and then open device settings on your phone and then select permissions. And then you would go down to contacts and select that and then select don't allow. And that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.